thanks for joining me on Collect Foundation TV. My name is ADEYEMI and I'll be speaking to you on the essence of skill acquisition as a student. My case study will be on agriculture. There are different kinds of skills available. You can go to the fashion world, you can go into photography, you can go into agriculture, you can also go into the computer sector. You can learn as many things as you can as a student because you have to balance your academics and your business together. So learn as many as you can handle, and before you choose, you have to look at what you love, look at your passion, and look at the needs of people around you. Make sure you are rendering a service to people and you are also doing what you love. Don't just do what make you look gloomy and all that. Now I'm going to be telling you the reasons why you should venture into agriculture, because I'm a fan of agriculture. Number one, agriculture never goes out of fashion. It's always in vogue, never goes out of fashion. It is cost efficient. You can start with whatever it is that you have. If you have little, if you have more, you can use it and you'll be good to go. And it's also good for you to know that agriculture can make you cash out as fast as possible. With agriculture, you can never be broke because you can sell whatever it is that you have to make money. And I want to tell you the advantages and disadvantages of agriculture business. The disadvantages talk on the disease infestation, pests, and also we can also look at the cost. Sometimes cost can be a disadvantage because you need to get more equipment, you need more money, and disease can sometimes not be controlled. If you have money, you can get resistant varieties. That's why I said cost can be a disadvantage. At the same time, cost can also be an advantage because if you had little money, you can use it to start up something. And also another advantage of agriculture is everybody loves agriculture, everybody loves food, so you can easily get into the market without a problem. Then I also like to talk about things to do to start up your agric farm. You need to check your location. You need to check the aspect of agriculture you're going into. You need to do a cost analysis, what it will cost you, your budget, and or what it will cost you to start and what it will cost you to run the business. And you also need to know how to make sales. It's very important to know how to make sales. Value addition is very important. Whatever business you're going into, you need to know how to add value to that product. Take for instance ugu. When you're selling ugu, you need to know how to package it, give yourself a brand name, and you can either sell it fresh, you sell it dry, you sell it as a powder form. Just add value to whatever products you're selling, and then you can put it on social media. Social media is very fast. You can sell as fast as possible on social media. Door-to-door sales is actually very good. You can go to your customers, go to them by yourself, get their numbers, call them, oh, I have these goods available, do you want it, do you not want it? And you can go to the market. You give the market sellers your products, they pay you. I also want to tell us that you need to learn more on agriculture as you go on the job, because you cannot know everything in one go. You need to go for seminars, go for trainings, and broaden your scope, broaden your horizon, learn more, learn on the job. You can never go wrong with learning. So my advice to those that are doing very well in their business is keep doing it, be pure in your work, give integrity your best. My advice to students who have taken the entrepreneurship goal is to keep doing it. Well done, and don't give up. I know this business can have the ups, can have the downs at times, but you just keep doing what you're doing. Make sure you're doing it well, make sure you're doing it right, learn more, go for seminars, go for trainings, and broaden your horizon. For those who have not started or who have failed in some aspects, don't get discouraged. You can still do it. Go to people who are doing it better than you and learn from them. Then you can start up from where you stopped. And if you've not started, please take up the challenge. Go into agribusiness. It is very lucrative. Nothing is a waste in agriculture. Thank you very much for listening. My name remains ADEYEMI. I am Ikon, and this is Collect Foundation TV. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like it. Tell as many people as possible that they should share their ideas and also learn from these videos. Till next time, bye.